Welcome to this video where we'll explore how to parse data from a local HTML file using beautiful bs4, also known as bs4. If you're working on web scraping or data extraction projects, chances are you've encountered situations where you need to extract specific information from an HTML file stored locally on your machine. Understanding how to use bs4 for this purpose can significantly simplify and speed up your workflow. In this video, we'll delve into the world of beautiful bs4, a powerful Python library used for parsing and scraping HTML documents. We'll cover what makes bs4 an excellent tool for handling local HTML files, and then dive into the practical steps you need to take to extract data efficiently. By the end of this video, you should have a solid grasp on how to utilize bs4 for your web scraping needs. Wow, cracky! Let's start by understanding why beautiful bs4 is an ideal choice for parsing local HTML files. bs4 creates a parse tree from page source code that can be used to extract data in a hierarchical and more readable manner. This makes it easier to navigate through the structure of the web page, even if you're dealing with poorly formatted or complex HTML. First off, ensure you have beautiful bs4 installed in your Python environment. If not, you can easily install it using pip. After installation, import bs4 into your Python script. You'll also need to read the content of your local HTML file so that bs4 can parse it. This is typically done by opening the file in read mode and reading its contents. Once you have the content of the HTML file as a string, pass this string to the beautiful bs constructor, specifying the parser library if necessary. The choice of parser, like HTML parser, LXML, or HTML5lib, can affect how your HTML is parsed, so it's good practice to specify one. With the HTML now parsed and stored in your bs4 object, you can start extracting data. This is where the real power of beautiful bs4 comes into play. You can navigate through the parse tree by accessing the tags directly, using methods like find or find all for more complex operations, and then extract text or attributes from these elements. For instance, if your HTML contains a table with important data, you can locate this table using its ID or class, iterate over each row, find specific columns, and then pull out the information you need. The flexibility of bs4 allows you to tackle most web scraping tasks efficiently. Beautiful bs4 is an excellent library for parsing local HTML files in Python. Ensure you have bs4 installed and imported correctly in your script. Read the content of your HTML file into a string. Pass this string to the beautiful bs constructor, optionally specifying a parser. Use methods like find or find all to navigate through the parse tree and extract data. And that's a wrap. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to use beautiful bs4 for parsing data from local HTML files. Web scraping can be complex, but with the right tools and knowledge, it becomes much more manageable. If you found this video helpful, please like it and consider subscribing for more content on web development, Python programming, and related topics. If you have specific questions about bs4 or any other topic covered in the video, feel free to ask them in the comments section below. Your interaction helps us tailor our content better to your needs. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.